set bond levels, particularly for those with lesser income? Please.
Sure. So as a prosecutor, when we initially file charges, if someone is in custody, we are asked to give what's called a bond recommendation. So you look at the facts and circumstances that you know at that time. If someone has a criminal history, are they a threat? Did they threaten to, in a domestic violence case, threaten to kill the victim if they were released? Is this a simple possession case? Should there be no bond, essentially, just what we call an ROR, a summons asking them to appear? So we look at all of those factors. Boone County also has, we're at the forefront of bond issues, I feel like. We have an actual agency that looks at different factors. How much an individual can afford, do they have a home plan, is there alternatives to their incarceration? And bail is something that we continually look at as a case goes on and we receive more information.
The same question for Josh Devine. It's a question about setting bond levels.
So this is something I'm very passionate about. When I came to the bench, I don't think I had a proper realization as a citizen of the disparate impact that bond can have on certain individuals. So my arraignment docket is on Monday. I have folks that appear in front of me that have been sitting in custody for sometimes 3 or 4 days on a $500 bond, on a $250 bond. There is literally nobody that I know in my world that can't come up with $25 or $50 to get themselves out of custody. Yet I have people every day that are in that situation. And my job in that situation is very simple. I view this as an equal protection issue. If there is somebody in the world, if a vast majority of our citizens can post bond at that level and this person cannot on a nonviolent offense, a property crime, my job is to release them on their own recognizance so that they are afforded the exact same rights, the exact same liberties as somebody that has money and has the ability to do so.